Hello everyone, we the team number 556 from Department of Electronics, Walchand College of Engineering, Sangli. We have participated in Texas Instruments Innovation Challenge India Design Contest 2015. I am Sukrut Tahankar.
I am Ankita Khilare.
I am Abhishek Ashtekar.
So we are proposing our project Industrial Power Management. The basic idea behind our project is efficient power utilization. If we consider the current scenario of India, the maximum power is utilized in the industrial sector. Due to improper management of loads and the failures of control system circuitry, some of the power is wasted. Also, we have the limited energy resources. By taking into consideration both these factors, it's the today's need to have proper power monitoring. So, our project deals with the wireless control of industrial loads with optimal power use.
In this system, the various industrial units are controlled by the control station. The industrial units at control station are connected through the wireless network using Simplicity TI protocol, that is EZ430 RF2500 kit. This kit contains MSP430 as an embedded processor and CC2500 as a transceiver. So data collected from various units regarding power consumption is sent to the control station and there it can be monitored. Now let's have a look on block diagram. Consider this as a two industrial units, so each unit will be having its own load. The power consumption in the form of voltage and current data will be sent to the MSP430. Here it is processed and power will be calculated. Now using the transceiver CC2500 and endpoint, the data will be transmitted to the control station. Access point will collect this data and through USB we are connecting it to the PC, and on MATLAB GUI we can analyze the various data samples that we have collected from the endpoint. In this prototype we have considered only one industrial unit. This is a load bank. Now voltage is sensed to voltage transformer and current is sensed to current transformer. Voltage and current that load is using is given to the voltage conditioning device. This circuit uses LM324 op-amp. Now output of this voltage conditioner and current conditioner is given to the endpoint. Now this will calculate the power samples and it will transmit it to the access point that is situated in the control station. Now this is the access point which is connected to the PC, using USB, and this is a MATLAB GUI. On this GUI we can see the various power samples and plot of that samples.
Considering this as the industrial unit 1, these are the loads. This is the system we have designed, which is given the power supply of plus minus 5 volt. To monitor the power being used by these loads, the same signal is given to this circuit through these two transformers. The circuits is nothing but voltage and current conditioner, which basically converts the bipolar signal into unipolar, and the output in the form of voltage and current is given to this end device. The end device is having EZ430, which calculates the power at the rate of 1 per second and transmit the data to the access point in the control station. Sent from the industrial unit 1 is received at the control station and can be viewed on the graphical user interface. You can see the instantaneous values of the power being received, and simultaneously the graph is plotted by choosing the proper COM port, and after connecting it would start receiving the values. As you can see, the blue dot indicates that power is received from the industrial unit 1. Since no load is connected, it is showing the 0 values. The process we are receiving is from the second endpoint. This since it is not connected anywhere, it is showing the random values. Now after switching the first load on, you can see the slight increase in the values. The dots. And after switching on the second load, there is rise in the magnitude. In this way, the power being utilized at the industrial units can be monitored, and after setting certain threshold, we can monitor the power being utilized in the workshop and then take the according actions. This is all about the current status of our project, and currently we are working on calculating total harmonic distortion and power factor and showing that in the graphical user interface. And at the same time you can see that after the graphical user interface, the data file is being generated. You can see this, the values are being received. This gives the information at that instant, 2015, 8th of March, and the timing 14:41, and these are the values being received. So currently we are working on calculating power factor and total harmonic distortion, and this project needs the appropriate calibration system, and through this system we are monitoring the power being utilized in the workshop, and accordingly the actions could be taken. Thank you.